The Solar Driveway Alarm System by Wuloo offers a reliable and expandable security solution with its solar-powered sensors and rechargeable battery, providing up to 24 months of usage on a full charge. This upgraded alarm system features 4 different operational modes and 16 customizable chimes, allowing you to tailor alerts to your specific needs. Installation is straightforward, requiring just a few minutes to set up the wireless motion sensors, which can detect movement up to 25 feet away. The alarm system boasts an impressive range of 1/3 mile, ensuring dependable performance even in areas with obstacles like trees and buildings. Designed to withstand various weather conditions, the motion sensors are weatherproof and function effectively in rain or snow. With over 20 years of expertise in wireless technology, Wuloo ensures that their driveway alarm system is user-friendly and comes with a detailed manual to assist with installation.